Good morning, everybody. I'm just going to go over what you need to be working on in class today. So if you look at the updates section, the thing that I need you guys to do first, you're going to work on any makeup work that you need to do. So for instance, if you still haven't finished Friday's work, you need to finish that up. And then there is a new assignment that you need to work on under OneNote. Some of you were able to work on it yesterday. So that assignment that if you finished everything that you were given on OneNote yesterday about either the executive, legislative, or judicial branch in Massachusetts, if you were working on that yesterday, you're going to continue working on that. If you have not started it, I am assigning it to you today. It's going to be under the classwork tab. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to the Monday folder. You're going to look at the different levels for mass government. And I have a list here of the different branches in the Massachusetts government. It's just the executive branch, the legislative branch, and the judicial branch. You are going to pick one of them, and you are going to be writing down different people that are in each branch under each category. So if you go over to OneNote, you're going to write your branch here. So if it's like executive, you're going to write down executive here. And then you're going to start your information there, which just means you're going to look back and you're going to write down who is the governor, who is the lieutenant governor, who is the executive council, and all the people that are on it. If you decide to pick the judicial branch, for instance, the judicial branch has all of these different groups, Supreme Judicial Court. So as we know, for the U.S. federal government, the Supreme Court has 9 justices. The Massachusetts Supreme Court also has a lot of justices. So to find that out, you're going to actually just Google Mass Judicial, you're going to say Supreme Court, and then you're going to say justices. And when you Google that, you should be able to see mass.gov justices here. You want to go to mass.gov because it's for the state. And if you scroll down, you're going to see all of the names. These are all of the names of the justices. So you're going to want to write all of those down. You should not be writing down only one name for each court. That's what you're going to basically be working on today. It's going to be under the classwork tab. You need to make sure that you did Friday's work. If you do not finish this, this needs to be finished for homework. All right. Thank you.